is the pre-workout that I've been taking. I take it before we head to the gym. I drink it, and then I also put a little bit in the water that I drink at the gym, but I haven't prepped that yet. So today's a gym day. We always head out at 10 a.m. It's kind of per the schedule, so sometime around 9 something, later at 9:30, I start prepping to get ready. I start doing all my waters, make sure I'm good to go by 10. Hey, what's up, you guys? It is a beautiful Monday today, and we are heading out to go visit my grandmother and my grandfather. We're gonna have lunch with them. I have my wonderful, gorgeous man by me. He just looks so handsome today. I can't really vlog with you because you're so tall, but anyways, I'll show you guys my outfit. So I've got my Tiffany necklace that I got for Christmas. I've got my little silver earrings, Tiffany bracelet, evil eye bracelet for protection, of course, moonstone, silver ring, Princess Polly top, Columbia jeans, Neos, heels, and my Stella McCartney purse. I haven't seen my grandmother since, do you remember the last time we saw them? Left. If you don't think that the school is bad that way.
It's 12. The last time we saw them?
Yeah, last time we saw my grandparents. I don't remember. A month?
2 months ago?
I feel like it's been a while.
When she got back from the hospital.
I honestly don't remember, but I think, oh my God, last year. I think we saw my grandparents before Thanksgiving.
Really? It's been that long?
Yep.
Wow.
And yeah.
Time flies.
So it's March. We're gonna go see them. We're gonna have lunch with them. I'm gonna vlog. It's gonna be spend the day with me. It's actually really beautiful out. When I first walked out, I thought it was gonna be kind of like ugly out, but it's actually really beautiful.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do.
Emma doesn't want to be on camera because she's not put together today. Hi guys, I'm coming at you today from a Wednesday in Florida. It is actually really nice and warm out. I will show you my outfit when we get to our destination because we are running late and I was not able to film while we were at home. Here's my very stressed out boyfriend because he's a Virgo and he cannot be late. We're also going to the VA and they're very strict there. Okay, you can't even be 5 minutes late because it's the military. Okay, it's a whole thing. I could go on for hours. I'm also teasing. But I love that about him. So he always keeps us on time and ready to go. But like I said, it's a beautiful day. Ooh, my lips need lipping. Parked. This is a little outfit of the day, if you guys can see it. Walking into the VA with my beautiful vet.
In real life, I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say, blew everybody away.
Hey guys, I hope you guys can hear me better. I realized as we were leaving the VA that my microphone wasn't connected, so the audio is probably not going to be the best at the beginning of this vlog. But we are leaving the VA. Everything was good. It was just a quick checkup. And now we are going to go to a place that we have not been to in a long time. If you know, if you've been following for a while, we were vegan for quite a bit. Now we're kind of pescatarian, but I have eaten chicken and other things. And we had pizza the other day, so we're kind of just open, right? We're open to food.
Listen to my body.
We're open to food of all kinds, and we are actually heading to Chick-fil-A for the first time in a long time because my man is craving a, what's it called?
I want French fries.
French fries?
I'm craving.
Oh, I thought you were craving the spicy chicken thing that you like.
Yeah, I'm hesitant.
Oh, you're hesitant?
But I actually want French fries.
Oh, my cutie boy. So we're gonna get this little cutie boy some French fries, and yeah.
Life, I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say, blew everybody away, wear whatever I want, dressed in a gown, everybody's like, wow, where you going, nowhere special, just going to the store, I think I'd have it all, tell you why I want more, picking the plate, being the plate, she is unruly, never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly.
What do you want?
She's not in a place, she'll get moved.
Dude, where's your toy? Where's your toy?
But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dreams.
So we are home. Please excuse the camera. Here we go. So we're home. As you can see, we have hi guys. It is much later in the day. I didn't have enough storage earlier, and then I had to charge my camera for a while. So yeah, I'm in my office currently. It's a bit of a mess. We have a lot of things going on in here. Like, I've got all this that I still need to take to storage, and then my boyfriend's got all his lighting for his YouTube videos. So if you guys aren't following him yet, his YouTube channel is called...
Which one?
Okay.
The Helios Experiment for more personal development, and then Medify for more personal, professional, and financial development.
Follow him because he is a beautiful genius, and I am extremely lucky to have him. I'm still wearing my cute... I never showed you guys my full outfit. I just went on a walk, and it was kind of cold, so I was wearing this cardi. But... basically, this is a Princess Polly crop top. I did a full layer of necklaces. If you guys aren't following me on my Instagram, on my TikTok, I'm going to put the handle. Go follow me over there because I post daily outfit inspirations. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. And then these jeans are Reformation denim. And my Batman sneakers. Alright, now I'm going to watch a video that my beautiful boyfriend created for his YouTube channel. I'll link him below if you guys are interested.
I'm not myself, no.
Hey guys, so we're about to pick our Pokemon cards, and we're gonna have Duke. If you don't know Duke, this is Duke. Duke, look at the camera, buddy. Oh, hi. You're gonna pick the Pokemon cards. Duke, which one is the better pack? Pick one. Pick one. That one? Okay. We're gonna open this one. That's cool. Can I see it?
No. I'm just kidding.
Duke did today. So far he's 2 out of 4. So let's see how he did with this one. Duke, this is all we're gonna see. We're gonna see how good you are. Oh, Duke. Oh, we have that one, but Duke did it. Okay, Duke. We got this one. Okay, pick one. None of these? He doesn't like either. That one? Okay. I think Duke is unhappy because he is not getting a treat. After choosing, he is being total diva. Did you already look? Okay. Oh, nice. Duke did it again. Look at this. Good job, Duke. Good.
I don't think we have this, do we?
Duke, you got 4 out of 6, okay? That's pretty good. Virgo man. My Virgo man, who is the most Virgo of the Virgos. He's the representation of Virgo on Earth. Has devised an Excel spreadsheet to calculate how much the Pokemon cards that we get are worth, and calculate the
An
total
ROI.
amount of what?
An ROI.
To
Return on
calculate an ROI on what we've made on our investment on buying these Pokemon cards, Pokemon decks, opening them, and acquiring ones that are actually worth something.
So you go by each card, and then non-graded price versus a graded price, the total investment, and how many packs we purchased. And then the graded price, average bulk is about $15 to get it graded. So then that totals down towards the end, and it'll give you the total price of the non-graded cards that we hold, of the graded price, minus the number of cards that we actually need to get graded. That's the total cost per grade, our revenue so far, and our return on investment.
If you're thinking about Pokemon, there you have it. And this rainbow card today, Bronzong, number TG.
This one right now is looking at about $40.
She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you want to hear. She could read your mind and then she could laugh. All the little lies to tell yourself it.